to buy Google Play gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy Google Play gift card. Now it matters on whether you want to buy it online, the Google Play gift card, or in store. If you want to do it on in store, you can do on the Walmart, so you can do it on the partnered retailers such as Walmart, Walgreens, Dollar General, CVS Pharmacy, Kroger, and such. And there are a lot more. You can find it on the website if you go ahead and search it. However, if you want to do it online, what you can do is you can go ahead and buy it on Amazon or Walmart. So you can simply head into Amazon as well. Now I'll just open up Amazon to check it real quick here, and you can search in for Google Play gift card here. You can see Google Play gift card. If you tap it, you'll get it here. So you can get it from various websites, that is the partnered websites. I'll recommend you, not the other ones, not the third-party websites, the Amazon, Walmart, Target, and such. So you can get it on giftcards.com as well. So yeah, this way you can buy, go ahead, and there you can make the online. Now I'll just show you real quick. On Amazon, you can just go ahead, and once you search in for gift card there, Google Play gift card will load up. You can tap on it, open it up, and you can go ahead and make payments, and you can buy it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.